My grandmother is very...
What? Rod and Janelle and Mel had a good time on it. I'm not really interested in that, but they had fun.
My grandmother is very...
But everybody else had a lot of fun, so I didn't.
My mom, she's a good-spirited woman who wants to have fun, just afraid to get out and let loose.
Well, fun. I had a good time. Not really fun, but it was a good time.
My grandmother is very...
Went to Old Burlington and Carbonear and did a little shopping. And
She likes to shop a lot. She likes to go to the Midas Smart to check out what things are there. My grandmother is very...
Janelle is my darling little granddaughter, whom I love very, very much.
My grandmother is very...
She can be a little pain in the butt sometimes.
She's just an excellent person.
God, do I have to?